大家好，我係老 Sir。今日嚟咧，我係會講 Form 1 Chapter 0 Example 0.3嘅。即刻睇下啲文字先。When an expression contains round brackets like the ones below， 當一個算式有一啲括號嘅時候，好似咁樣嘅時候 ，we should perform operation inside the brackets first。我哋應該要做咗括號裡面嘅運算先。嚟呢條代數式咧，咁我哋先做咗括號先。又嚟呢條式咧，我哋先做咗呢個括號先。OK， 跟住到 example 0.3啦。Find the value of each of the following expression， 揾以下算式嘅結果。OK，A part 48除開括弧12乘2，咁我哋就 perform operation inside the bracket first， 先做咗括號裡面嘅運算先，嚟12乘2就做咗先。OK， 到 part B 22減開括弧8加24除4刪括弧，咁有括號就做咗先啦，但係括號裡面都仲有加同埋除，咁先做咗除先。Perform division inside the bracket first， 跟住做完除之後咧，就頂 perform addition inside the bracket， 做埋個加先，再做出邊嘅22減加嗰個結果。